the Minister of Environment and Forests of Bangladesh.
Excellency, the President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I have come here with a heavy heart. I was shocked to hear about the deadly terrorist attack in Paris about 4 weeks back. Let me once again express my deepest condolences to the families who lost their near and dear ones and suffered in the deadly attack. Let me assure you that we are with you in the fight against terrorism. Mr. Chair, I thank France for convening the global community on climate change despite such threats posed to humankind. Excellencies, climate change, disease, threats to humanity and SIDS are taking disproportionate risks continue to rise perilously if we fail to take enhanced collective actions right now. Bangladesh contributes least to the global greenhouse gas emission, yet we pay heavily on account of the impact of climate change. Mr. Chair, in response to global call, we have also submitted our INDCs. In our INDCs, we have put both unconditional and conditional mitigations, contributions, along with an adaptation component. Now we have to make sure that the Paris Agreement will facilitate the meaningful implementation of the INDCs. Excellencies, since climate change is a global problem, we have to find global solutions collectively. Let me highlight a few of the expectations that need to be fairly reflected in this new global agreement. Mr. Chair, it is important to set a collaborative platform that will facilitate effective engagement of countries and undertake meaningful climate actions. Mr. President, I expect the linkage between mitigations and adaptations need will be clearly recognized in the agreement. The agreement should include the clear provisions to provide adequate means to implement the adaptations and mitigation actions. Mr. President, we need to work for a new dawn, promoting transformation change towards low carbon and climate resilience development. Excellencies, as we speak in Paris, our people ask us to deliver on the expectation engendered by COP21. This COP must redeem the faith reposed to us. Let us engage in Paris in true spirit of dedications and the cooperations. And let our posterity remember Paris as a historic turning point and secure the sustainability of future generations. Mr. President, our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina received UN Champion of the Earth, is committed to development in Bangladesh without destroying our environment. There, has been an eco-balance, she says. With this, I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen.
Muchas gracias.
I'd like to thank His Excellency for the statement and now give the floor to Her